Welcome to the channel. I've made everything simpler. My SMS, my email. I was using 3 different tools and managed to cut it down to just one. If you're selling online, you need to check out how Omnisend does things differently. Let's get into it. Alright folks, are you sick of juggling a bunch of different tools? And you probably are. You've got one for email, one for SMS, and then another one for outreach. That's probably a bit nuts. What if you just had one platform? There's no coding involved. You don't have to be a genius. You don't even need to be someone who's great with AI. You just need to be able to click a few buttons. It's all drag and drop, and you can even set up advanced automations. If that sounds good, that's exactly what Omnisend does. And here, I'll show you my welcome series, colors, blocks, all the cool stuff. I don't need templates. I don't even need HTML. And it's dead easy to do. So let's get into what Omnisend actually does. It doesn't just show you opens and clicks. It tells you exactly how much money each email or automation brings in. So you don't have to guess and think, oh, I hope this campaign goes all right, because that's not very effective. And you can actually see how much you lost or how much you made from abandoned carts. It also helps you double bear. It's got a form builder that's next level and all that sort of thing. Plus, it connects straight up with tools you might want to use like Shopify, BigCommerce, Wix, WooCommerce, and I hooked up a Shopify store as well. It pulls in their products, customers, stock, discounts, and even syncs up. So let's jump in and see how this works. Here, I've got my dashboard. You can see my goals, my overview, my live view right here, revenue, all that sort of thing. And here I can run campaigns. So this is dead easy to do. You can see me plant business right here, me email receipts, the campaigns, and I can even send test emails right here. And this is really easy to do. So if you want to create a campaign, you just click create and you can set up emails or A/B tests. You pop in the subject line and the email address. You can link up your Facebook as well. You can pick an email template and you're all set. What makes this so great is you can do automations too. So a lot of places don't offer automations, but here we can see a welcome automation. Now, this is a workflow I set up, so you can go ahead and see customers enter in the workflow. If they're subscribed to the email, we've got them signed up. If our subscription's active, it'll be sent. We've got all our info here, including the triggers. Then we have it wait for a minute and send out a welcome email. So, as long as you can do basic automations, like you would in CRMs, like, high level or something similar, then you'll be able to use this. And that's why this is good. You can also check out browse abandonment. So, I can see what's happening with my carts, any abandonment, and I even have forms I can build right here. So the forms are there. And if you were to do all this, usually you'd need a bunch of different tools. Here I can set up my forms, do smart pop-ups, add my form builder. It's next level. I built this, set it to trigger for first-time visitors after 8 seconds. You can target by behavior, location, device type, and the best bit is new leads are automatically added to the list. So if you want to get people in, you want to attract potential buyers, that's all here. And it shows opens, it shows clicks. It tells you everything you need to know from one dashboard, as we can see here. And then finally, I've got my audience with my contacts, segments, and even a full customer breakdown, as well as my store settings. So here, I can come in, check out the different plans, and also connect my store right here under Connected Stores, where I've linked my Shopify store. And we've also got the info right here. You can even get a partner to give you a hand. So that's Omnisend in a nutshell. You can really level up your e-commerce just by following a few simple steps. So that's how easy it is. It's honestly really, really cool. Also, a few other things you might like are the automatic product recommendations, time zone based sending depending on where your customers are, brilliant testimonials, and SMS consent tools. So make sure you're sending it to the right people. You can see which sources are bringing in the most leads. And also, have a look at the resources here. You can check out success stories, see who they integrate with, even migrate, and all the different features like build, automate, and send. If you enjoyed this video, give that like button a good smash, hit subscribe, tap the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.